Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact PayPal customer support on PC. PayPal is the widely used online payment platform allowing you to send, receive and manage money securely. Sometimes you may need to help with issues like transaction account verification or the security concerns. Thankfully, PayPal offers multiple ways to reach out their customer support right on a PC. First, open any of the web browser on your device and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, log into your account with the email and password and simply access to this help on the top beside the activity. And under this help, you can also find the frequently asked questions over here. You can find all of the questions regarding the issues by other people here, which is the common questions. Or if you want more ways to help, you can also go to this resolution center or the message center over here. So I'm going to select this message center. And in the top right corner, we can also ask the people assistant. Click onto this people assistant and find the AI chatbot. You can simply type your questions for the prompt and people will connect you to the support agent who can help. People will connect you to support agent who can help you resolve your issue. And that is it. Always ensure you are on the official PayPal website to avoid phishing scams. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.